Good day, everyone. Today, we will be learning about consonant blends. A consonant blend is when two or more consonants are blended together, but each sound may be heard in the blend. So today, we will be learning on words having L blends. So here are some of the L blends. We have BL, CL, GL, PL, and SL. BL, B, L, bl. CL, K, L, kl. GL, G, L, gl. PL, P, L, pl. SL, S, L, sl. Let's go first with BL. Letter B and letter L. The sound of letter B is B. And the sound of letter L is L. So we blend these two together. B, L, B, L, bl. Bl. So let's try reading words having BL consonant blends. B, L, black. B, L, blue. B, L, blocks. B, L, blanket. B, L, blink. B, L, blow. B, L, blank. B, L, bleach. B, L, blot. So let's go to CL consonant blends. The sound of letter C is K, K, K. The sound of letter L is L, L, L. Let's blend these two together. K, L, kl, kl, kl. So let's try reading words having CL blends. K, L, clouds. K, L, clay. K, L, clips. K, L, clam. K, L, clown. K, L, clock. K, L, click. K, L, closed. K, L, class. GL consonant blends. The sound of letter G is G, G, G. The sound of letter L is L, L, L. Let's blend these two together. G, L, gl, gl, gl. So let's read words having GL consonant blends. G, L, glass. G, L, glue. G, L, gloves. G, L, glad. G, L, globe. G, L, glider. G, L, glasses. G, L, glow. G, L, glance. G, L, glossy. PL consonant blends. The sound of letter P is P, P, P. The sound of letter L is L, L, L. So let's blend these two together. P, L, pl, 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 place. Pl, plant. Pl, plus. Pl, planet. Pl, plane. Pl, play. Pl, plate. Pl, plug. Pl, plum. Pl, plastic. Pl, player. Pl, plan. Pl, pliers. Pl, plane. So let's go to SL consonant blends. The sound of letter S is S. 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 The sound of letter L is L. 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 Let's blend these two together. S. L. Sl. 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 So let's try reading words having SL blends. Sl. Sleep. Sl. Slip. Sl. Sled. Sl. Slog. Sl. Slide. Sl. Sleepers. Sl. Slow. Sl. Slim. Sl. Slit. Sl. Sleeve. So let's read again words having BL, CL, GL, PL, and SL blends. Bl, cl, gl, tl, sl. Bl. Black, blue, blocks, blanket, blink, blow, blank, bleach, blot, CL, cl, clouds, clay, clips, clam, clown, clock, click, closed, class, GL, gl, glass, glue, gloves, glad, globe, glider, glasses, glow, glance, glossy, PL, pl, place, plant, plus, planet, plane, play, plate, plug, plum, plastic, player, plan, pliers, plane, SL, sl, sleep, slip, sled, slog, slide, sleepers, slow, slim, sleet, sleeve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.